Hey, Mark Hewson here with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus. It's time for our Funday Monday drawing. I want to thank everybody that played along. I put everybody's name into the basket here. It's actually the box my granddaughter's made. We had a lot of new players this month. Appreciate everybody that joined us. This month's question was, people with this naturally occurring color hair experience pain differently and are more sensitive to hot and cold temperatures. And the choices were A, blonde, B, red, C, brunette, and D, black. And of course the right answer was B, red. Congratulations to all of you that got the right answer. I put your name in the box and we'll see if you win in the drawing here in just a minute. Here's an interesting fact for you. People with naturally occurring red hair make up about 2% of the world's population, and they can experience physical sensations differently than people without red hair. People with red hair need about 20% more anesthesia to be sedated, yet they require less pain relief, things like Tylenol, than the average person. All right, let's see who this month's winner is. I'm going to reach into the box and pull out a name. Whoops. And this month's winner is William Connor. William Connor. So William, congratulations. Thanks for playing along. Let me know if you'd like the $25 Amazon gift card or the $50 restaurant.com card. Watch for the next Funday Monday drawing contest. The contest will go out the first Monday and the second Monday of November. You'll get an email the first Monday, and our newsletter goes out the second Monday. And of course, you can always follow me on Facebook and play along there as well. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for your real estate days. Have a safe Halloween, and be sure and hug your loved ones. Take care. Talk to you soon.